Bonjour. In this video, we shall discuss French pronunciation. Pronouncing French takes a lot of practice. One needs to listen and to speak out loud in order to pronounce French words correctly. The more you listen, the more your ears will become attuned to the sound of the language. And if you speak out loud, then gradually you'll begin to understand how the words are meant to be pronounced. Of course, one's mother tongue plays a great role in affecting the accent. However, with practice, the influence of the mother tongue can be controlled. One of the most different pronunciations in French is the French R. La rue, regardez, partir, respirer. The guttural R sound is unique and doesn't exist in English, where the letter R is used for a completely different sound. It has several variations, from a harsh sound from the back of the throat to a softer vibration, and even varies depending on the region in France where it's spoken. The farther north you go, the more glottal the sound is. La rue, regardez, partir, respirer. If you come south to the south of France, that is, the pronunciation becomes slightly different. It becomes la rue, regardez, partir, respirer. The glottal or guttural pronunciation, however, is considered the standard. Nasal sounds are produced by blocking the air from leaving your mouth and releasing it from your nose, which is what we do when we pronounce N, M or NG sounds, such as in song. In French, there are a lot of nasal sounds. You need to listen to the different nasal sounds and learn how to distinguish them. It might seem that there's little to no difference, but native speakers will hear it very quickly, and confusing these nasal sounds can often change the meaning of the sentence. Next we have the silent letters. If a French word begins with C, R, F or L, which are consonants from the word careful, the final letter is usually pronounced. Otherwise, the final letter is silent. However, like with most grammatical rules, it does come with its fair share of exceptions. Here are some examples of words where the final letter is pronounced. Un truc, un dortoir, le chef, avril. There is one exception to the careful rule. Verbs ending with the letters ER have a silent R. Aimer, manger, tuer. Words ending with B, K and Q also have the final letter pronounced. Le club, un steak, sac. All other consonant letters are usually not pronounced. Froid, le point, un dragon. In this case, O and N combine to produce a nasal sound. Le parfum. With the exception of all Latin words where M is pronounced, such as aquarium, forum, acou, le marais, elle mangeait, de, le riz. An important point in French pronunciation is the concept of liaison. When you listen to someone speak French while you read along, you'll notice that French pronunciation doesn't match what you read. One reason for this is the way words are linked together one after the other with la liaison, or linking sounds. Another reason is that in spoken French, we pronounce words in phrases without any pauses. Further, we link them together. This process is called l'enchaînement, word linking. We make some links between two vowel sounds or between a consonant and a vowel. Some links are mandatory while others are forbidden. It's important to know these rules in order to have a decent pronunciation and accent. Most of the mandatory liaisons make the language more fluid, while the forbidden liaisons often prevent confusion between different meanings. When pronouncing a linking sound, blend the last letter of a word with the first letter of the following word, as in vous vous appelez. Here we link the last letter of the S of the second vous and the first letter of the verb form appeler with a Z sound. What happens here is that the last consonant is linked with the first vowel. So you will notice here that the last letter of the word vous, S, it's pronounced as Z when followed by a word starting with a vowel. This is true even though the letter S in vous isn't pronounced and the pronoun vous stands alone or is followed by a word starting with a consonant. For example, in this sentence itself, the first vous is simply vous, but S is silent because the next word begins with a consonant. Vous vous appelez. When a word ends with a vowel and the following word also starts with a vowel, both vowels form two syllables and we don't add a pause. For example, with the phrase tu as un vélo, you say the entire phrase as if it were one word without any pauses, and the sounds of tu as seem to merge. Tu as un vélo, tu as un vélo, tu as un vélo. In spoken French, we pronounce the last consonant of a word with the initial vowel of the following word. The last consonant of the first word becomes the first letter of the second word, as in il arrive, pronounced as il arrive. We link the consonant to the vowel to form a syllable. Un enfant. Trop occupé. There are of course some exceptions, and exceptions have to be known, because exceptions are quite important. For example, linking sound of the final letters of S, X and Z. We pronounce these letters as a Z when blending two words together. Example, des amis, les enfants, vous avez. Linking sound of the final letter D. When we pronounce these letters in conjunction with a word starting with a vowel or silent H, they are pronounced as a T sound. Un grand homme. Un grand homme. Here are some forbidden linking sounds. Well, some linking sounds are mandatory, some are forbidden. Words following A. Example, e. It's not et. Et une maison, not est une maison. Words following a singular noun. Un soldat anglais. Un enfant intelligent. Words after a proper noun. Jean a dit. Roger est parti. So now let's have a quick recap on the sounds of French. In vowel sounds, A and A accent aigu are both pronounced like A in English. R is also R except that it's longer. E, when placed in the middle of a syllable, is pronounced as A, same as A l'accent grave and A, accent circonflexe. The rule for pronouncing E in the middle of a syllable, A, at the end of a syllable, here. But when it is at the end of a word, it's silent. So E in the middle of a syllable, A, at the end of a syllable, at the end of a word, it's silent. So A when at the end of a word with two or more syllables and EZ are both pronounced as A. An exception to the careful CFLR consonant pronunciation rule presented earlier, L when used in the syllables A and A are generally silent. Knowing and applying these pronunciation rules will take some time, but with practice eventually it's possible to master them. That's all in this video. Merci, au revoir.